Are you ready to collect and present data on your financial planning and analysis efforts? Delve into this video and learn how to do it in a world-class manner with SlideTeam's informative financial planning dashboard. Use this PowerPoint layout to showcase critical fiscal key performance indicators such as net product revenue for consecutive years. Access this PowerPoint set to demonstrate the revenue quarter-over-quarter analysis with a histogram and compare the net revenue of the current and previous year. Download this PowerPoint deck to represent your decided gross margin in percentage terms for a given month. Use this PPT layout to display the cost of goods sold to stakeholders in value and percentage. Download and elevate your fiscal insights with the financial planning dashboard. Moreover, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. With our ready-made PowerPoint slide, you can showcase data collected on actual versus planned finances and the ending cash balance relative to OCA to check your spending. Visually showcase how your company's compensation amounts are faring for your accounts and how these are doing against the US as a whole. So, maximize your fiscal success with the financial planning dashboard. Download directly from the link below.